Hi everyone, Harris here with iDownloadBlog, and one of Spotify's end-of-year treats for its users is a simple recap of their year of listening, or really their January through October stats. As simple as it is, it's certainly fun to look back and see both what you've been listening to and how much you've been listening to it. But of course, for whatever reason, Apple doesn't do the same with their Apple Music subscribers. Now, of course, you can check your top 25 most played song playlist that I believe is a default playlist, but if not, you can create through iTunes using the Smart Playlist, but that is for all-time listening data, and there's no way of filtering per year. I have a really cool method for checking out Apple Music listening data, but that video actually won't be ready before the new year, so I've got a good plan B for before 2019 viewers. The app Music Year in Review will scan your library and give you some decent information and visuals to go along with it. It will tell you your favorite artist of the year, which of course means most listened to artist, as well as the time listened to that artist. But in reality, I think that's definitely the total listening time and not the favorite artist listening time, because this number for me comes out to be 35,000 minutes, which I do not think I spent solely on the Avett Brothers. But it'll also tell you the most listened to genre, artist, and song, which does match up with my Apple Music playlist, not that it necessarily has to. And finally, it tells you the top 5 songs and artists, which does match up with my Apple Music playlist as well. If you've ever played music on repeat going to bed, or ever just left music on repeat for a long period of time, this will certainly skew some songs onto your recap list, as it did for me. But if you're able to avoid that, it'll give you a pretty accurate look at your most listened to music, artist, and genre. But if you're interested in a more exact way to see your Apple Music data, stay tuned for that video coming within the next week, and I'm pretty excited to share that. But this is a pretty good method of checking out some music data for the time being and before 2019 hits. Let me know what you think of the Year in Review app. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments, and let me know what your listening data says for you. Who's listened to the most music this year? Thank you for watching and subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.